Hello, welcome back. Welcome to the very third lecture in the series. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to import videos or images into Capcut and then install into your timeline for editing. So that's very easy. When I say install, I just mean insert if you get confused. So the process is easy. As you can see by now, you would have downloaded Capcut PC and you've had it open like this. So the first thing you want to do is to click on create a project. So it's going to go out, reopen, and it's going to generate the interface as you can see. And then you want to click on import, very important. So let's hit on import. And then you have this frame. It says video. If your videos are not under your video folder, you can always go to your downloads depending on where your videos are. So for me, I can decide to click multiple images or videos to just import into Capcut before I then import it into my timeline, which is down here. So I'm just going to hit this very first one, and then I'm going to press my Control key button, move my cursor downwards. All right. And then add, okay. I'll just move my cursor downward and add some other images. Maybe I want to bring in this cute looking dog. I'm going to press my Control key. If you're on Mac, it's going to be Command. Press on your Command key and your left mouse click button just to highlight these two. Then I'll just find one more video. Let's say we want to use this video. Press my Control key again, and I'm going to hit that up. So now when I have that open, I can then click on open and we'll get straight right to it. So you see we have 3 elements into Capcut already ready for us to use. There are 2 ways again you can import it into your timeline here. One, you can just drag it like so and you have it in your timeline like that. So because I selected the 3, I have the 3 all selected together. All right, so if I do backspace again, you can just click on one. If you want just this one imported, then you drag on it. As you saw, there was a blue bar. So you just have that in your timeline already. All right, that is the first way to do it. The other way you can do it is to click on this plus icon you see here. All right, you can just click on this plus icon and automatically add to the timeline. Same thing you can do with video. This is a video. You can either drag it like so, or you can click on the plus sign, right? Like so. So any which way you do it, it's going to import it to your timeline. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to cut videos and images, which is very important. That is like the basic of video editing. So I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed. I hope this was helpful.